Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Toncoin from Tonkeeper to Binance. Sending your Toncoin holdings from your personal Tonkeeper wallet, the Binance exchange, this gives you more control over your funds and allows you to interact with the Binance cryptocurrency exchange directly. So to transfer Toncoin from Tonkeeper to Binance, first we need to swap our Ton to USDT. Within the Tonkeeper app, tap on the swap button. In the receive section, you will see a list of options. Choose USDT as the currency you want to swap to enter the amount of Ton you wish to convert to USDT. Once you have entered the amount, tap swap. Wait for the swap to complete. This might take a few moments. Now, let's send this USDT to Binance. Tap the send button. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. We'll be using our Binance USDT address. Open the Binance app on your phone. Head over to the wallet section. You can usually find it at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're in the wallet section, go to deposit, search for USDT, and select it. Here is where it gets important. We need to choose the correct network. Scroll down until you find the Toncoin network and select it. You will see a QR code and an alphanumeric address. We're going to use the alphanumeric address. Click on the copy button to copy the address. Go back to Tonkeeper and paste the Binance USDT address into the recipient's address field. Now we need to add a memo. Go back to Binance, copy the USDT memo, and paste it into the comment field in Tonkeeper. Double check that both the address and memo are correct. Once you're confident everything is correct, tap continue. Confirm the amount you want to send and tap continue again. Review the details one last time, then tap confirm and send. And this is how to transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. Remember, double check the address before sending to avoid. So that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.